Are you ready to discover a car that's more than just a vehicle? The DeLorean DMC-12 is not just a car, it's a cultural phenomenon. Built in Northern Ireland between 1981 and 1983, this stainless steel sports car represents a fascinating paradox. It was a commercial failure that transformed into an icon of pop culture. The journey of the DeLorean DMC-12 begins with John DeLorean, who left a successful career at General Motors in the 1970s. Political dynamics played a crucial role when the British government, seeking to boost employment amid the Troubles, offered substantial financial support. DeLorean's factory in Northern Ireland was built with governmental backing, promising thousands of jobs. However, with untrained workers and high expectations, quality issues soon arose. To create a distinctive car, DeLorean enlisted top talents like Giorgetto Giugiaro, who designed its striking wedge-shaped profile, and Colin Chapman of Lotus, who engineered its chassis. The DMC-12 featured gull-wing doors and a brushed stainless steel body, which were not only radical design choices, but reflected the ethos of material honesty. Unfortunately, despite its eye-catching aesthetics, the car's performance lagged behind expectations. With a V6 engine producing only 130 horsepower, the DeLorean struggled against faster rivals, leading to disappointing sales. As financial struggle loomed, the company collapsed in 1982. John DeLorean's legal troubles following a drug sting further exacerbated the situation. Less than 9,000 units were ever built, making it a commercial failure. Yet fate had other plans. In 1985, the DeLorean was chosen to star as the time machine in the hit film Back to the Future. This pivotal moment changed everything. Suddenly, the DeLorean soared to cultural prominence, transcending its commercial struggles. It became a beloved icon, representing innovation and imagination. Even today, designers are inspired by the DMC-12 for its boldness and unique design principles. The car teaches us that it's not always about commercial success. In summary, the DeLorean DMC-12 embodies the journey from failure to iconic status. It's a testament to the power of design and its lasting impact on culture. Follow Skyride Design for more explorations of remarkable objects. Join us in celebrating the extraordinary legacy of the DeLorean DMC-12.